All right, gonna come. All right. I don't think we're gonna use drills for this.
What's that?
No drills for this. We're just gonna do all hand screws. Let's go straight up. Okay. You got it? Mm-hmm. Right, we're gonna lean the painting out. Switch my hands. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Came off with the shim.
But Anny, I know that you were looking at some of the cracks
Yeah,
here.
there's cracks here and here. But they've been like that for a long time, so I don't think they're worse. But we'll do an inspection under the microscope to make sure that things are stable.
But it's just kind of cool seeing, like,
Yeah, I agree with you.
seeing
The
those
ground,
edges. I don't
the
know.
ground.
It is, yeah, because it gives you more of a sense of how he worked, too.
Yeah, even though it's not even.
And also how he wanted to leave the exposed.
How exciting.
Yeah?
How exciting.
I know.
This is a silent film for our first film back. I'm looking forward to getting back into the regular screening because I'm about wired out. I've rewired everything you can basically see. That whole sound rack is rewired and moved. Ran new lines to the stage, much cleaner, much faster, easier. The daily shows are the most fun.
As a film curator, you don't put on the screen what you haven't yourself seen. And that's something that I take seriously and my colleagues take very seriously. So I preview everything that is going into film exhibitions that I'm working on. Most of the time, I know the works. It's really a matter of previewing a print or some other format for its condition.
You can see this little white spot here and this white spot in the mouth where the paint was missing and it's been filled with a white material, and now I'm just retouching to match the color of the face. I just noticed these little cracks like along her neck, and these little, like the lion's got a little like.
I noticed the one in his eye.
Oh yeah, here, right. That one?
That one.
Yeah. So now we're really noticing just these tiny little details that are.
We're nitpicky.
Yes. It's more typical we each kind of have our own project, but in this case there's so much to do and not so much time that we're taking the opportunity to work side by side.
Well, this works exactly as planned. You might want to pin this lid. Little rattle there. Yeah, it seems to be in the middle.
Oh, yeah, go ahead. While we're talking, can we kick down the top curtain?
Yeah. Makes a difference. Also, I think for the performance, what it does is it encloses the space, so you know you're in a.
Yeah. Oh,
it's not a walk-around space. There is no loop. What will happen
So
is
it'll never repeat. It will just keep going and going.
you'll hear familiar sounds,
But not in
but not in the
association
same
necessarily with something
context
you've
again.
already heard.
Yeah.
Got
Sounds good.
This is it.
Excellent.
Yeah.
But I don't like it on the scene either. Should we just try it at 30 again
Go.
to get it off?
Yeah, let's go to the 30 from the wall again. Good.
Check that orientation.
Okay. I'm loving the Calder with the fridge.
Me too.
As the transition, kind of.
Right. Just try to, like, just to even rule it out, just to see if there's any way, like...
To come left?
Yeah, to
Yeah.
just occupy that spot across
Yeah.
from here.
Yeah. Okay, you could hold it a sec. Nice, huh? So should we put it on a dolly? Because I'm going to want to try this everywhere.
What is it? Perfect. Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Well, there I am.
So we are now playing with size a little bit here.
Yes, I like that.
But I think
Yeah, that's the top of Black Girl's window.
I mean, what we really like is that you can see it from the atrium.
Yeah.
You know, that's the atrium. So
Yeah.
when you're on the other side, we see that when you look to the entrance.
Yeah. I wonder what I had in these boxes.
Well,
It looks like junk, doesn't it?
You want to find every item.
Yeah, but I think it's great that Black Girl's window is down
Yeah.
there.
That's
really
amazing.
good. See, I planned it then, you know.
And then we thought, you'll see what you think, but because you have the hand there, and then if you look in, just that part right there, we thought it was a nice connection.
Very mysterious going in. You know, I'm in love with other, and I like things to look differently, like you're going into a dream or something like that, or remembering a dream. So it attracts more than the visual. It attracts your other senses, so you have that feeling. Not everybody, but you know, that's my attempt.
Hey George, you want to put a couple of holes in this before we play it?
You know what happens on Monday, Mark?
Art's coming, huh?
That's right.